Are you tired of the 9-to-5 grind and dreaming of a flexible, rewarding career where you get to be your own boss? Well, what if I told you that some of the fastest-growing freelancing niches in 2025 could offer you exactly that freedom? From creative roles to highly specialized services, freelancing is rapidly evolving, and now's the perfect time to jump in. In this video, we're going to explore the top 8 freelancing niches that are growing fast in 2025. Whether you're looking to build a side hustle or launch a full-time online business, you'll discover opportunities where your existing skills could turn into a thriving freelance career. So let's dive in. 1. Podcast manager. If you're someone who loves podcasts and thrives on organizing projects, then becoming a podcast manager could be the perfect freelancing niche for you. The podcast industry has exploded in recent years, and as more businesses and creators jump into the space, the demand for podcast managers is on the rise. As a podcast manager, you'll take care of the technical and organizational aspects of podcasts. This can include audio editing, creating show notes, scheduling guests, managing RSS feeds, and ensuring episodes are published and promoted correctly. You don't need to be an expert in audio editing at first. The good news is tools like Audacity and GarageBand are easy to learn and use. If you're already organized, have a knack for managing projects, and have good communication skills, this could be a great fit. As a podcast manager, you can build long-term relationships with clients and even start managing multiple podcasts, scaling up your business over time. 2. Online business manager, OBM. If you are the kind of person who excels at managing multiple tasks and keeping things running smoothly, the role of an online business manager could be your ideal freelancing path. With more businesses transitioning to the online world, there's an increasing demand for professionals who can step in and handle day-to-day operations. As an OBM, you help business owners stay on top of their projects, handle administrative tasks, manage teams, and keep things organized. Your responsibilities might include overseeing project timelines, managing client relationships, handling emails, and ensuring that everything is running according to plan. This role is perfect for those who excel in project management and want to help other businesses thrive while also enjoying the freedom of freelancing. The best part about this niche? It's incredibly scalable. You can start small by working with a few clients and gradually grow your business. Plus, as businesses continue to grow, your services will always be in high demand. 3. Virtual assistant VA. The virtual assistant niche has been around for a while, but it's only growing faster as more people and businesses realize the importance of outsourcing tasks. If you're highly organized, love to manage calendars, handle emails, or do administrative work, this is one of the fastest growing freelance niches in 2025. As a VA, your services can range from simple tasks like answering emails and scheduling appointments to more specialized work like managing customer support, social media scheduling, and even bookkeeping. The beauty of being a VA is that the skill set needed is broad, and you can specialize in an area that you enjoy the most. For example, some VAs specialize in e-commerce support, while others focus on content creation or customer service. With more solopreneurs and small businesses opting for remote work and outsourcing, becoming a VA is an excellent way to tap into a fast-growing freelance market. The flexibility and wide variety of tasks make this a highly attractive option. 4. Email marketing specialist. Email marketing remains one of the most powerful tools for driving revenue for businesses, and the demand for skilled email marketers is skyrocketing. If you're good with words, understand what motivates people to take action, and enjoy creating strategic campaigns, email marketing might just be your perfect freelancing niche. As an email marketing specialist, your responsibilities would include crafting compelling email campaigns, managing email lists, setting up automation, A/B testing, and analyzing email performance to optimize future campaigns. Businesses of all sizes need email marketers, from small startups to large corporations looking to keep their customer base engaged and drive sales. The best part? Email marketing is a skill that can be easily monetized with the right tools like MailChimp, ConvertKit, or ActiveCampaign. Plus, as you grow your expertise, you can scale your freelance business by working with multiple clients or focusing on larger campaigns for bigger companies. 5. Graphic designer. If you have an eye for design and enjoy creating visual content, freelancing as a graphic designer is one of the most popular niches. Whether it's designing logos, social media graphics, websites, or even packaging, graphic design is in demand everywhere. In 2025, more businesses are realizing the importance of high-quality design to stand out in the digital space, making this a growing niche. To get started, you'll need proficiency in design tools like Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, and InDesign, but if you're already familiar with these, you're ahead of the game. As a freelance graphic designer, you have the flexibility to specialize in areas like branding, advertising, or digital media. The key is to create a standout portfolio and continue learning new trends to stay competitive. 6. Content writer/copywriter. Content is king, and businesses are constantly looking for skilled writers to help them create high-quality blog posts, website content, and product descriptions. If you love writing and have a way with words, becoming a freelance content writer or copywriter could be your ticket to success in 2025. As a content writer, you might write blog posts, articles, product descriptions, or even ebooks. On the other hand, if you want to focus on persuasive writing, copywriting might be a better fit. This involves crafting compelling marketing materials like landing pages, email copy, sales pages, and advertisements. Content writers and copywriters are always in demand because every business needs fresh, engaging content. If you can create quality content that speaks to a brand's voice and audience, you'll be well on your way to building a successful freelance career. 7. SEO specialist. Search engine optimization (SEO) is critical for any business that wants to appear on search engines like Google. As companies continue to push for better online visibility, SEO specialists are increasingly in demand. This role is perfect if you love researching keywords, analyzing websites, and optimizing content for search engines. As an SEO specialist, you'll work to improve a website's ranking in search results through keyword research, on-page optimization, link building strategies, and performance tracking. SEO is essential for businesses of all sizes, from local startups to global corporations. With the ever-changing algorithms and trends in search engines, there's always something new to learn in SEO, which keeps the work fresh and exciting. Plus, SEO is highly scalable. You can start with one client and grow your business as you become more experienced. 8. Web developer. Web development remains one of the most lucrative freelancing niches, and it's not going anywhere in 2025. If you have coding skills or a passion for learning new programming languages, freelancing as a web developer can be incredibly profitable. As a web developer, you'll be responsible for building websites and applications for clients. This could involve creating e-commerce websites, designing landing pages, or developing custom features for blogs or corporate sites. There's always a high demand for skilled developers, especially as businesses continue to migrate their operations online. If you're just starting out, consider learning popular programming languages such as HTML, CSS, JavaScript, or Python. By mastering these languages and staying updated with industry trends, you can position yourself for a successful freelancing career in web development. And that's a wrap on the 8 freelancing niches growing fast in 2025. Whether you're looking to start a side hustle or freelancing your full-time career, these niches offer plenty of opportunities to turn your skills into a profitable online business. The beauty of freelancing is that you get to choose your path, your clients, and your schedule. So what are you waiting for? Take the leap and explore one of these exciting freelancing niches today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, share it with anyone you know who's interested in freelancing, and subscribe for more tips and tricks to build your online career. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.